how to find who can see posts you've tagged in on your profile on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see posts you've tagged in on Facebook Lite on your profile on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find the profile and tagging, and here you will find it who can see post you've tagged in on your profile. Just click on it, and as you see here, my friends can see it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.